Topic starts with a corpus, not a hand-picked question. The current intake contains 120,676 NASA ADS abstracts from astro-ph.GA and cosmology spanning 2009 through 2026. Each abstract is encoded by QN3 embedding 4B, so papers discussing related physics land near one another in semantic space. The vectors then self-organize into clusters. Cluster descriptions are read from the grouped papers. They are not labels used to choose the papers. Next, open debates and unknowns from landmark reviews are overlaid on the map. The existing 12,000 paper baseline used 278 debates and 200 unknowns from 19 reviews. Each cluster is ranked by open question density times recent growth. That score surfaces candidates. It is not a verdict. A topic keeps its derivation. Corpus, cluster, size, score, reviews, open questions, key papers, planned study, and any caveat. One important status boundary: the published 32 cluster map belongs to the earlier 12,000 paper baseline. The expanded 120,676 abstract map is currently being re-derived. NebulaMind shows that boundary, instead of presenting an unfinished ranking as settled.